Hi guys, and welcome back for another video. So today I am going to be doing a turban tutorial, or two turban tutorials for you. So I'm really sorry first of all because I've still got this Nigeria vlog that I'm trying to sort out, edit and upload for you, and I also know that I am yet to do the Zara Bahari turban style that I said I will do, because I have the raw silk material. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then it's because you don't follow me on Instagram, so go follow me on there now guys. But yeah, I'm just really busy. I work full time, I'm doing a qualification, so I have assignments and things like that as well, so I'm just really busy. I haven't forgotten, I will do these things eventually, but for now doing this is a lot quicker for me, and I'm actually meant to be working today and it's a Saturday, so it's just I don't usually work on Saturdays, but yeah, I am today. So yeah, I just wanted to start off with that first, just to apologise and to remind you that I haven't forgotten. I am just super busy. I will get to it eventually, but for now, sit back and enjoy the video. And I'm going to be using this pashmina style scarf. Not pashmina style, it is a pashmina, I think, what is what you call them. And it's very crinkled, don't watch that. Okay, so the first style I'm going to do is put it over my head. And also this style, I'm not using any volume. I've found that recently I've not been using a lot of volume, for no reason whatsoever. It's just because it's quick, I just throw on the scarf. But yeah, obviously you can use volume with all these styles as well, and I have used volume with these in the past and I will again, but like I said, I don't know, I just grab the scarf and go really. So I have my underscarf ready. Wear something that isn't satin or silk or something like that under your scarf, because otherwise your scarf will keep slipping off your head. Obviously I wear silk or satin under this underscarf because I protect my hair and all that stuff, but yeah, so let's get straight into it. I feel like... Okay guys, so you put the pashmina scarf on your head, or just the scarf, whatever scarf you use, over your head from the back like this. Tie it at the front just like this. So this pashmina scarf that I use isn't like a massive one, so I didn't need to fold it in half. Whatever scarf you use, if you need to fold it in half, then obviously do so. And then I simply take one side, open it up a bit, and take it round to the back and tuck it in. And then I pretty much do the same with the other side. So there's two variations to this style. Take it round to the back as I did with the other side, and then tuck it in, but don't tuck it all the way in. You can have that little bit draping down the side like that, which is very cute. Okay. Just like that. Just tidy it up as you need to. Okay. So that's one variation. And then when I finish playing around with it, then you can also just tuck it all the way in as well, which when I was doing this I realised that I was tucking it in the wrong place, which is why it came out like that. But yeah, so you can just literally do exactly the same thing that you did with the other side, and just tuck it all the way in under the scarf, and this time I get it right. There we go. Okay, tuck, tuck, tuck. And Bob's your uncle. It's that simple, so simple, yet so elegant. Well, I think it is anyway. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. Like I said, I did do two videos originally, but it's a long story. So yeah, you've got the one turban, but it's still a very nice one. So yeah, like I said, comment below if you like the style, and if you try it out, I'd love for you to tag me on Instagram so I see it as well. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video next week. Leave your suggestions down below. Bye.